Right, what we're going to do here is show you how to set up a roles and hierarchy system on Salesforce. So first things first, we navigate to setup, and then here on the quick find box you just want to search for roles, and that's underneath users. Here you will have the different sort of hierarchies that you can use, but to see the hierarchy in the roles you've got, just click setup roles. Now, obviously you can see here the hierarchy we've got already, the Chief Executive Officer at the top, the HR Manager and the Sales Manager reporting into them, and the Sales Employee reporting to the Sales Manager. So from here you can add all the different roles that you want. If they're going to be reporting into the CEO, then you want to put the add role just underneath them. Similarly with the HR Manager. If you want them to be on a par at the top, then you would put it underneath the actual company name here, add role. So just to show you how to add a role, we'll go and add a HR employee, and we'll search for that underneath HR manager. Now, once that loads up, the label we'll give it to is HR employee. That will automatically fill that in and automatically report to the HR manager. But if you did want to change that, you could search in here for the different managers that you want to add it. Then it's as simple as that. You just click save, and then you keep repeating that for as many roles as you need to add.